สวัสดีครับ My name is Kit from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So today I would like to Happy New Year to you guys that we are in the 2026 and today that the day that I recording this video is on the 4th of January 2026 and I hope that everyone have a happy new year and have a good year throughout until 2027. Alright, so what I'm gonna talk with you guys today is about the immigration. As a Thai lawyer who handle a lot of foreign case here in Thailand, mostly my case are the criminal one. I have a lot of my foreign clients in the criminal court. Especially last year, we got we represented almost 100 cases in 1 year, for the foreigners. As you know that, a lot of foreigners coming to Thailand, a lot, if you looking at the statistic, Bangkok is ranked number 1 that, a lot of foreigners coming. It's a number 1 in the world, in this global, it's a tremendous number, right? So, what I would like to emphasize is about the immigration, because the immigration in Thailand we have very strict policy, especially when I'll go in the detail about when the foreigner have been charged for the criminal offense, right? Usually when you have been charged for the criminal offense and then you get bailed out from the court, and then so that means once you get bailed out from the court, and then your passport is going to be kept at the court, right? Because when you bail yourself out or your lawyer apply the bail for you, then the court will request you to submit the passport to the court as a condition for the temporary release. That's the thing here in Thailand, right? So when your passport has been kept at the court after you get bailed out, and then of course you are on the tourist visa, right? If you are on the tourist visa, that means there's gonna be an end on your visa, right? Let's say you got a 60-day tourist visa, but you got arrested before your visa is running out, maybe 5 or 6 days, and then your lawyer bail you out from the court, and then your lawyer submit the passport to the court, right? And then what should you do? There's 2 ways. The first thing that your lawyer can filing a petition to the court and request the court to get the passport back, so you can to travel to the immigration department and get your visa renewed. That's the thing, but it's not easy like that. You just cannot just get the passport and then go to the immigration. You're gonna have to have a lot of list of documents that your lawyer gonna have to prepare. If you just go to the immigration department and ask to get an extension, and you're saying that, oh, right now I'm still waiting for my trial and for my court hearing, and then my visa is gonna running out in the next 2 or 3 days, I need a renew on my visa. Of course you can do it, but you're gonna have to have a proper document. That's the thing, a lot of my clients sometimes when they're using the other lawyer before, and then they say, oh, the immigration cannot renew my visa, what should I do? What should you do? That means you are overstaying, right? If you overstaying in Thailand, that means you're gonna have to pay the fine, 500 baht per day, but the maximum is not 20,000 baht, right? So what document that you need to prepare, to renew your visa if you are, if you have been charged for the criminal case in Thailand, and then you're gonna have to get the letter from the court. In the letter from the court, it's gonna say right now, this case still ongoing, and then it has not been finalized. This letter will be signed and issued by the judge. This one you're gonna have to get it from your lawyer. Your lawyer can request the court to issue that kind of letter, and then when you get the letter from the court, right, you're gonna have to ask the police officer who handled your case to sign to certify copy of your arrest report as well. That means your lawyer gonna have to know how to handle with that. after that, you're gonna have to get the form from the immigration. A lot of form. TM7. To prove that you still have to stay in Thailand because you having the case here. You're gonna have to attend the court hearing in the next month. So that's why you cannot leave or to return to your home country. That's the thing here. It's a lot of process. So if you ask me, what about if I don't want to renew my visa during I'm still have to attend the court hearing next month? Can I let my visa finish? Yeah, you can do it, but that's mean you're gonna have to pay the fine when you leaving Thailand, and you also is likely to facing the criminal offense for overstaying here in Thailand as well. That's the consequence if you let your visa running out without to renew or extend your visa during the ongoing case in Thailand. Alright guys. However, if you still have the criminal case to attend here in Thailand and your visa is gonna run out soon, and you don't know how to do it, just drop me a message, right? I can help you to handle that issue, right guys? So, alright, today I'm gonna finish my video today, and I hope that you guys having a good year. And alright, and today I'm gonna say bye bye and thank you and ขอบคุณครับ